Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video you will see the antenna assembly process. Today I'm going to make end-feed half-wave antenna using two cores F243. Let's check. It's pretty good. Just check. Yeah. Let's glue these two cores together. Let's put some glue on the core. The two cores are glued together. The size of the cores 60.5. The size 35. Together two cores 25.44. I'm going to use this wire 1.8 millimeters. Firstly, we make two turns. The enamel need to be stripped from this wire right here and right here. The wires soldered together and we continue to wind. The transformer is ready. It needs to be tested. We have 14 turns, right here 2, and all amount of turns is 14. Let's solder the connector, the main wire to the second wire and the ground of the connector to the first one, and the resistor 2.7 kilo ohms right here from the 14 to the ground. Let's check. Just connected the DVNA 101 and we can see the SWR is lowest from 80 meters band to 40 meters band, maybe for 20 meters band, but then SWR is increasing rapidly. Let's solder the capacitor. Let's see on the screen. I put the capacitor on the line and we can see the SWR much better. Just stretched a little bit these windings and SWR become much better. Let's change the type of wire and make another one transformer. I really stuck with this transformer. I decided to make another one, but another one type of the windings. Just made another one transformer. Let's check its parameters. Finally, I decided to use this transformer. This is parameters for this transformer. 80 meters band, around 1 to 1. 40 meters band, 1 to 1, and 20 meters band, 1.3 SWR. 18 megahertz, 1.3. But I have another one antenna which works pretty good from 21 MHz to 29 MHz, and this antenna probably will be for low band only. Let's make a hole right here to mount this connector. Let's put the transformer into the box. Finally, we have the transformer in the box. Right here you can connect the feeder line. To this bolt you can connect the ground, counterpoise, 2 windings, the central connector, capacitor, 100 picofarad, and all amount of windings 14. This connector, this bolt for the antenna. Let's assemble the antenna. The transformer is finally ready. Let's check 10 meters band 1 to 1.8, 27 MHz 1.6, 24, 1.4, 21, 1.4, 18, 1.5, 20 meters band 1.5, 40 meters band 1.2 SRR, and 80 meters band 1.1. Let's see the 160, 1.3. Let's connect and use this wire. Finally, the antenna is ready to install. I just put this antenna under the citizen band antenna right here. The height around 7 meters. Finally, I got these parameters for the antenna. Let's check for 80 meters. I think the antenna works below than 80 meters, but we can adjust the length of the antenna, and in this case we will have the parameters much better. 40 meters, 20 meters, yeah, all resonance below the M bands, but a little bit. You can use the auto tuner in this case and tune the antenna. Just made the antenna a little bit shorter, and the parameters for 80 meters and 40 meters is pretty good, but for 20 meters is not good. I have to make some adjustments, but I'll make this a little bit later. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.